If I got myself into legal trouble, would I represent myself? No, and I'll explain why. One of the most important things that your lawyer should be able to be is objective. And that means that they can separate themselves from the case, they can separate themselves from the outcome, they can look at things as they are, not how they wish they were. And that's one of the skills you learn really well when you're in the line of work that I am. You discount how much you like the person or dislike the person, and you take them as they are or as they'll be perceived according to the evidence. When it relates to my own case and it affects my own interests or someone I love, I can't be objective. Of course, I'm going to paint myself and the people that I love with a light that's different to reality, because I would judge myself by my intentions and usually judge other people by their actions. So the first reason is a lack of objectivity. The second is that depending on the legal situation, I might not necessarily be the best person. I was in a building and construction dispute a little while ago, and I have no idea how to do those type of cases. So the first thing I did was I engaged a lawyer, and that lawyer was awesome. They went through and they got me an amazing outcome that I could never have achieved in a million years, because it's just not my area of the law. And the third reason is a really practical one. Perhaps I want to give evidence in my case, right? So if I'm a witness in a case, I can't be the advocate. So it wouldn't make sense for me to represent myself if I, had to get in the witness box, for example, and say something. And so it's super clear cut to me that if you're in legal trouble, you don't represent yourself. It's like a surgeon operating on themselves. It doesn't make any sense whatsoever. And the great thing about the legal profession here in Sydney and in Australia, we have lots of amazing lawyers who are really good at their jobs, and you can find someone who gets it, wants it, and can do it relatively easily. Follow me for more legal TikTok.